My name is Sunday Joseph Olusegun. My PhD research aims at synthesis and characterization of cobalt ferrite and a composite with chitosan, silicon extracted from rice husk, and kaolin for the absorption of methylene blue, acid orange stew, Congo red, and doxycycline from wastewater. Any water that has been used for industrial, agricultural, domestic, human activities, among others, are referred to as wastewater. They contain toxic substances, and among them are dyes and antibiotics. Dyes are colorful, but they are harmful because when they are present in wastewater, they cause hazardous diseases, they are carcinogenic, and they also cause the death of aquatic life. Likewise, also, antibiotics, they are our friends because we use them to treat various infections in our lives, and they become rules when they are indiscriminately disposed into the environment because they are not biodegradable and they can survive in the aquatic environment for a long period of time. And as a result of that, they cause resistance in bacterial population and making them ineffective in the treatment of several diseases in the near future. As a result of this, different methods has been developed for the treatment of wastewater before being discharged into the environment. One of the methods is adsorption. Adsorption is a surface phenomenon whereby a pollutant is adhered to the surface of an absorbent. And one of the criteria for selecting an absorbent is that it must be easy to separate after adsorption process. And as a result of this, magnetic absorbent has been developed. So my whole research also aims at development of magnetic absorbent. So the first part of my research was to see the effect of drying process and calcination on the structural and magnetic properties of cobalt ferrite, which is a magnetic properties. And this result shows that spray dry cobalt ferrite perform better in removing methylene blue than the oven dry cobalt ferrite, and it also has better magnetic properties and also higher surface, specific surface area compared to the oven dry cobalt ferrite. Likewise, also, I also synthesize magnetic chitosan for the removal of acid on residue methylene blue from wastewater. The combination of experimental and theoretical study shows clearly that the absorption mechanism of methylene blue is electrostatic, while that of acid orange is electrostatic and hydrogen bonding, and the contaminants that were effectively removed by magnetic composites compared to other reported work in the literature. And I also move forward to synthesize magnetic biosilica for the removal of doxycycline. And in this case, I discovered that the doxycycline also was effectively removed from wastewater by the composite. And the mechanism of absorption in this case was as a result of N-pi interaction and hydrogen electrostatic interaction. And likewise, also, the effect of temperature shows that the absorption of doxycycline increases with increase in temperature. And part of the composite was also used to remove methylene blue. So apart from cobalt ferrite inducing magnetic property on biosilica, it also helped in improving the absorption capacity of biosilica for the removal of methylene blue. And in this study, the mechanism of absorption was found to be electrostatic interaction and hydrophobic interaction. I also moved forward to produce kaolinite that was pre-dried, the raw kaolinite and modified kaolinite. And the essence of this is to see the effect of drying process on the absorption capacity of kaolinite for the removal of methylene blue. And I discovered in the study that spray-dried kaolinite performed better than the modified one and then than the raw kaolinite. As a result of this, I used the spray-dried kaolinite to produce magnetic kaolinite and use the magnetic kaolinite to remove doxycycline and Congo red from wastewater. And the study shows that the magnetic kaolinite effectively remove the two contaminants. And apart from that also, the mechanism of absorption of doxycycline in this case was a result of hydrogen bonding and N-pi interaction, whereby that of Congo red was discovered to be hydrogen bonding and hydrophobic interaction. The effect of temperature shows that the absorption of kaolinite increases with temperature, while the of Congo red decreases with temperature. And compared to literature, the magnetic alunite performed better in removing the two contaminants compared to others reported absorbents. I want to say a very big thank you to UFMG, to FAPEMIGI, to TRAS, to CNPQ, to postgraduate chemistry, and also to my lab and all the people in the lab, and also to my professor for the opportunity given unto me to carry out my research. I want to say a very big thank you to everyone. Thank you for listening.